Before committing to Parish Data System for your church management needs, here are 12 important things you need to know. We'll compare it to other popular church management software options so you can make an informed decision. Stick with me to the end, and I'll share a great alternative that you can try for free. First off, Parish Data System is known for being a solid, easy-to-use platform, especially for smaller to mid-sized churches. Unlike other systems, it's been around for years and has an established user base, which means you're getting a tried and tested product. However, it's not as feature-rich as some of the newer competitors out there, so let's dive deeper into what makes it unique. Next thing, pricing. Parish Data System offers competitive pricing, but it's important to know that some of its key features, like event management and extensive reporting, are locked behind premium plans. While it's affordable at first glance, depending on your needs, you can find that other systems like Planning Center or Breeze provide similar features with more flexible pricing options. The third thing to consider is the learning curve. While Parish Data System is designed to be user-friendly, newcomers may take a bit longer to get familiar with the system. In comparison, platforms like ChurchTrack or ACS Technologies offer more intuitive interfaces, making it easier for your team to jump in without much training. The fourth thing, member management. This is where Parish Data System excels. It offers robust features for managing members, tracking attendance, and even managing donations. But in comparison, Breeze offers a more modern experience with a mobile-friendly app that some find more convenient. Next thing, customization. Parish Data System offers some degree of customization, but if you're looking for deeper custom fields or more complex workflows, you might find the system a bit limiting compared to other solutions like Church Community Builder, which offers highly customizable options. The sixth thing, integrations. Parish Data System lacks some of the integrations with third-party apps and services that other systems provide. If your church needs integrations with tools like MailChimp or QuickBooks, you might have to use workarounds or look for add-ons. Competitors like Planning Center provide more extensive integration options out of the box. The seventh thing to consider is support. Parish Data System offers solid customer support, but many users report that response times can be slower than they'd like. Systems like ChurchTrack have a reputation for quicker responses and more detailed troubleshooting support, which can be a deciding factor if time-sensitive issues arise. The eighth thing, mobile experience. Parish Data System doesn't offer a dedicated mobile app for users, which can be a deal breaker if you're looking for on-the-go access. Competitors like Breeze and ACS Technologies offer fully functional mobile apps that allow staff and members to interact with the system on any device. The ninth thing, reporting and analytics. Parish Data System does offer some basic reporting tools, but it lacks the depth and variety of reports offered by competitors like Planning Center. If your church relies heavily on data-driven insights, you might find other systems like ACS Technologies better equipped. The 10th thing, security. Parish Data System takes security seriously with features like encrypted data storage and secure login methods, but it doesn't have the advanced security features of some other solutions like Church Community Builder, which offers two-factor authentication and detailed access control. The 11th thing, scalability. Parish Data System works well for small to medium churches, but if your congregation grows significantly, you might find it a bit limiting. Larger churches often prefer more scalable solutions like Planning Center or ACS Technologies, which offer more robust enterprise-level features. Lastly, the 12th thing, ease of setup. Parish Data System is relatively easy to set up, but the lack of guided walkthroughs or pre-configured templates can make the setup process more time-consuming compared to competitors like Breeze, which provides easy-to-follow setup processes and preset templates. So, while Parish Data System is a good option for churches looking for an affordable, no-frills solution, it may not be the best choice for those who need advanced features, deep customization, or more robust mobile support. If you're looking for a better option that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution. It offers all the features you need without the headaches, and you can get started today.